In this tutorial, we will see that how can detect and remove spyware on Android phone. It will help you to find hidden spyware apps on Android. So for the step 1, you have to check for unusual behavior like battery drain. Spyware can consume a lot of battery. If you notice a sudden increase in battery usage, it might be due to hidden app. To see that from your phone, if you open up your settings and scroll it down, you will find here this battery. Open it and then it will show you a list of the apps that used most of the battery. If you find here any of the suspicious app, you can simply uninstall it. And the second thing that you can do is monitor your data usage. Spyware often sends data to remote server, leading to higher than usual data usage. And the third thing is slow performance. Spyware can slow down your phone significantly. So this was the first step. For the second step, you have to check installed apps. To do so, click back and open up apps from here. Open app management. Here you have to find suspicious apps. Like after finding it, you can open it and simply uninstall it. Like it's showing here uninstall button. Simply uninstall it from here. This was the second step. For the third step, you have to check app permissions. To do so, click back and simply open privacy from phone settings. Here you will get this permission manager. Open it and here you can see that body sensors, calendar, call logs, camera. Like if I open this, music and audio, you can find here the all apps that we have allowed to access. If you find here any of the suspicious apps, like here it's showing Hey Tap Cloud, or you can find any other. I will open this one for a tutorial purpose and simply it will be allowed. You have to click on this don't allow. This was the third step. In the fourth step, you can close this phone settings and open Play Store and simply search for these 3 apps to install. The first one is Malwarebytes. You can install it. It will automatically detect suspicious apps from your phone. The second software that you can install is Avast Mobile Security. The third is Bitdefender Mobile Security. You can install any of the one from these 3 that suits you. This will help to detect spyware apps from your device. For the fifth step, you have to disable admin rights. From these phone settings, you can simply search for device admin apps. It's showing here. If I open it, it will show you these some of more options. You have to open this device admin apps from here. After writing this captcha, you can see here there is no any apps in device admin apps in my list. If there is in your phone, you can simply uninstall it or remove it from this device admin apps. The last thing that you can do is reset your phone. From these settings, you can open additional settings and scroll it down. At last, you'll find your backup and reset. Open it and simply reset phone from here, and here it will show you erase all data. It will help you to reset of factory settings. It will remove all of the files, apps from your phone and clean your phone from all spyware softwares or apps. But you will lose your data like photos and videos from your phone. So firstly, you have to transfer your photos or videos to another phone and then simply reset it from here. So by following these steps, you can detect and remove spyware from your Android phone and take measures to prevent future infections.